Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jay Mendez at it again. And what is today? Today is Friday, guys. Demo day is tomorrow. Tomorrow is what, the 7th, guys? Yes, today is the 6th, and we are going to do a sweet demo on these sweet Red Apple UVs, guys. They're new for 2016. I saw them when I first picked them up the other week, and these are from UVs, guys. Check them out. Red Apple, and we're going to do a sweet demo on these. These are the green one. This is the green one. It's 8 shots total, neon effects, extra large size, very loud, up to 100 feet tall to the sky, guys. This is what we're looking at, and we are doing my own demo here, guys, so that's pretty cool. I can't wait, guys. And these effects are glowing green stars with a crackle and loud bang, guys. Check that out. Alright, and then after this, guys, we are going to do a sweet demo on these artillery shells, guys. These are so freaking sweet. These are the new, well, they're not that new, but anyways, they're the new, it says new on there, so I'm just repeating what I read, guys. New Dragon. And this is the one with the comet in there, so once it goes up in the sky, it shoots a nice comet, guys, so it's pretty cool. So, I love these so much, guys, so let's get this going, guys. And before we do, we're going to do the Roman candle first, guys. Let's do this, guys. Let me put this down on the floor, and then we'll get started. Alright, let's go. I'm super excited for you guys. I'm getting ready to go to, I'm getting my equipment ready to go to the demo for tomorrow, guys. I'm so excited. Alright, there's a street. And we got some neighbors over there creeping on us. Let me aim this camera very good for you guys. Alright, guys, I hope you guys are ready. And this is UV green one. Let's light this baby up, guys. Had to take the wrapper off. Sweet, guys, I hope I got that on the camera, but that was 8 shots of these UVs. They were hitting really, really hard. Maybe more harder than the ones I recommended you guys, the earlier ones. These are worth the money, guys. I would say that they hit harder than the other ones I recommended you guys. These are so legit, and hope you guys can see me very well. Not the best, but anyway, sorry, guys. Yeah, these guys are the best, guys. Sweet. I love them so much. I recommend these guys to you. The UVs, they are a pack of, I think it was a pack of 10 or 8 for like $24. It was there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Jay, and we are doing the demo on these artillery shell ones, guys. Let's get started. Thanks guys for watching, guys. This is Jay. I am out. You have a good night. Bye bye.